My name's Alex Bond, I work at Alchemilla. I've been here for just over 2 years now. Alchemilla is a fine dining restaurant in Nottingham. We're open 4 days a week, Wednesday to Saturday, lunch and dinner. We are classed, I suppose we class ourselves as a sort of plant-led or plant-focused restaurant. Doesn't mean we don't use protein, but we do love using as many vegetables as possible. Team consists of currently 8 in the kitchen, looking to go up to 9, trying to push again this year, harder than we pushed last year. 6 out front full time and about 7 part time. Transitioning to being a restaurateur or a businessman has been difficult because, like I say, I don't want to leave the kitchen. You know, there's stuff that's boring, but it needs to be done. It has to be done. And I think if we want to push again this year, you have to look at the big picture, which is the whole picture, which is everything. You can't do that when you've got your face in a section. So for me, I think the transition is going to be difficult. Success for me is, well, a number of things. So one, make sure I can pay the staff, make sure we're busy, cooking the food that we want to cook that makes us happy. Accolades, yeah, love them. Like, don't get me wrong, amazing. But getting a star in 2 years was, well, mind-blowing, if I'm totally honest with you. I think our food, or my food, or the food we do here is food vegetable-led. I think we just have this real obsession with wanting to explore what we can do with a vegetable. And we use protein as a supporting role. So we allow, stuff like maybe smoked ox heart or lardo or chicken skin or, sauces or shoes or whatever, to help elevate those dishes, an extra element to a veg. About 6 years ago, I started running marathons and I was doing a lot of running, and I just used to eat a lot of supermarket chicken because it's cheap, it's easy, it's a quick form of protein, and I just had this moment of, like, this is disgusting. That led to us cooking loads more vegetarian stuff at home, and meat became a treat, and we just used to cook more vegetarian, and then I was making stuff at home that I would eat in a restaurant. We've done something that essentially was an accident that we've just become obsessed with and created a restaurant from. And I think that's why we've had the success that we've had and why people love what we do. 2 years, I'm still going to be here. I don't necessarily want to be anywhere else. Other than that, I'll be here pushing this restaurant on. I've got no intention of going anywhere else. I don't want to. Like, if other people want to open loads of restaurants and have a chain, that's great, but I don't want to do that.